So hello there and good day guys. So welcome back to my channel, and right now is I'm gonna show you how to post a job on Indeed. So it's either you're looking for your next great employees or building a team from scratch. This video will help you get your job posting live in just a few minutes. So the first thing you need to do is you need to head over to Indeed.com. Then if you already have an account, you just need to click on sign in. So as you can see here guys, this is the website name. So you'll be able to see here post a job, and then you just need to tap on that one. And then right after that one is you'll be head over to this dashboard of the Indeed.com, where you'll be able to see here what is the meaning of Indeed. So it's one of the most popular platforms for hiring talent. Either you're looking for your next great employees, as you can see here, and then you just need to tap on that post a job, where you'll be able to see this one. You just need to continue with Google or continue with Apple, or if you already have an account, you just need to log in. Then once you sign in on this, you just need to go here, and then this will take you to the job posting setup, where you'll be able to see here if you are a job seeker or a employer. And then after that one, you just need to tap on the job seeker, and now you'll be able to see here. You just need to wait for a minute. Then after that one is now time to fill out the job title or your company's name. So make sure to be specific. So as you can see here, I am going to make my company's name that one. And then the next part is your company's number of employees. So it's up to you guys, depending on you. And then after that one is you'll be able to see here the different fields. You just need to fill in all of it. And then here is your first and last name. For example, to that is I'm gonna use this name. Then you'll be able to see here if you are a hiring manager, then you just need to fill in that. And then the next part is your phone number. You just need to set up on this one, either which country are you came from. And then after that one is we will just wait for a minute. We're going to go here to how you heard about us. So you just need to fill in this part where you'll be entering your mobile number or your phone number. So right after this one is you'll be head over here to how you heard about us. For example, you hear this website through social media like YouTube, TikTok, and then after that one you just need to tap on that continue. Then you will be going here to your company's industry, where you will be adding here some of the information about you, about your job that you will be gonna posting. For example, to that is telecommunications. And then my job title is, for example, to that is I'm gonna make in a voice over artist. Then tap on that one, and then the number of people to hire for this job. So here you can see here you just need to fill in depending on your liking. Then tap on that one. For example, to that is 7, and then job indication type. So for example, to that is this is a fully remote, so no on-site work required. Or you can also choose this one, so in-person, precise location. And then here is the next part is are employees required to reside in specific locations? So I'm gonna choose no, because it's a remote area where you can work from home. Then here you can see here your save time posting your job. Then right after that one is your job details. For example, to that is what kind of job is this? Is this a part-time, a temporary, a contract, a full-time, seasonal, or internship? So for example, to that is this full-time and then this contract. Then the next part of that is the schedule. So it's either a morning shift, a overnight shift, a 4-hour shift. So it really depends on you guys. So after that one is you will be able to see here. For example, to that is choose your own hours. And then after that one is you just need to tap on that continue. Then the next part is here. So how you will be paid. you will fill out the salary information. You can choose either or not to show to these candidates. After that, add any benefits like insurance, paid time off, or flexible working hours. Then you can also see here that the hours. So for example, that is the starting amount and then the rate per hour or per day. So you can see here that this job meets or exempt from the local and minimum wage requirements. So let's change the amount of that one. And then right below that one is here, you can see it here, and then expected hours show by, for example, that is the range, the maximum. Then here you can choose here the hours per week. So 7 hours is incomplete and another number to make it a valid. So you need to add another hours here. So you can see here 7 to 21 hours per week. And then the next is here. So what I said a while ago, that you can also add some here a benefits. So you can choose to add any benefits like health insurance, paid time off, or a vision insurance, a life insurance, a relocation assistance, a parental leave. And then here, you just need to tap on the continue. And then you'll be able to see here the description of the job, which is the important part. So the job description is super important. You'll want to include key responsibilities, qualifications, and any other important details. So you just need to be clear and concise. And you can also use bullet points to make it easy to read. So for example, to that is this one. They also have a AI, guys. So you can make a job description for you, and then after that one is you just need to tap on this preview to show what it's like to view your job description. As you can see here. And then after that one is you go here and then tap the continue. And this is your set preferences, where you will be able to see here this one. So you can see here, do you require background check for this job? So yes, or either, it's up to you guys. So you can also see here as potential candidates for a resume. Then this part is send daily updates to which email, guys. So it depends on you which email do you want to be sending to. And then hiring timeline for this job, you can choose here 3 to 7 days. Then after that one is you just need to click continue, and then you can review your job, double check it. The job details, you can just double check it. You can also preview here again. So as you can see here the voiceover artist, and then close it. And then if you're good to go, you can confirm that one and just tap on that one. And that's how you post a job on Indeed.